Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have a magnet for attracting wealth, turning everything into gold, while others live on a constant financial roller coaster? Before we uncover these financial secrets, I want to extend a special invitation. Click the subscribe button right now and activate the notification bell. And in the comments, leave the phrase, "My prosperity starts today." Just comment, and I will give you a little heart. Let's embark together on this journey towards abundance. Have you ever had the feeling that money just slips through your fingers like water? Well, today, we're going to change that story once and for all. Get ready to discover 16 fundamental things that poor people generally don't know about making money. And no, I'm not talking about magic formulas or miraculous schemes. I'm talking about real, practical, and transformative knowledge that can revolutionize your financial reality. Let's start with a story that many know, but few truly understand. That of Warren Buffett, the legendary Oracle of Omaha. Do you know why he became one of the most successful investors in the world? It wasn't just because of his sharp intelligence or supposed supernatural luck. It was because he understood something that many can't grasp: the overwhelming power of financial knowledge combined with unwavering patience. Now, I want you to take a pause and reflect honestly. How many times have you thrown in the towel on a project or idea because you didn't see immediate results? Well, this is the first crucial thing that poor people generally don't understand about making money. Patience is not just a virtue, it's a financial superpower. 1. Patience is a valuable asset. The truly wealthy understand that sustainable wealth is rarely built overnight. It's like cultivating an entire forest, not just a single tree. You plant the seeds, care for them daily with attention and care, and over time, you reap abundant fruits. How many times have you abandoned a dream because you didn't see quick results? The harsh truth is that lasting wealth takes time, dedication, and persistence. Warren Buffett, for example, started investing at age 11, but only reached billionaire status at 56. The lesson here is clear and powerful. Stay firm in your financial goals, even when the results seem light years away. Consistency is the key to long-term financial success. 2. Financial education is the best investment. Many who live in scarcity mistakenly believe that financial education is a luxury exclusive to the rich. In reality, it's quite the opposite. It's precisely what can break them out of the vicious cycle of poverty. Think of financial education as learning a new language. At first, it seems like an insurmountable challenge, full of strange terms and complex concepts. But as you dive into learning, a whole world of opportunities unfolds before your eyes. Start today. Devour books on finance, watch educational videos, participate in online courses, seek mentors. Each fragment of knowledge is a fundamental piece in the puzzle of your financial freedom. 3. Multiple income streams are essential. The truly prosperous rarely put all their eggs in one basket, meaning they don't rely on just one salary. They diversify their income sources like a skilled conductor leading a financial orchestra. It's like having several water faucets at home. If one clogs or dries up, you still have others flowing with abundance. How about starting to explore a side business that complements your main income? Or invest in stocks that pay generous dividends? Or maybe create monetizable online content? The possibilities are as vast as your imagination and willingness to act. 4. The transformative power of networking. The connections you cultivate can open doors you never dreamed existed. It's like having an ever-expanding treasure map. The more people you know and genuinely help, the more X marks on hidden treasures appear on your opportunity map. Start attending events in your field regularly, actively participate in online groups, offer help and knowledge without expecting immediate returns. You'll be amazed at the universe of opportunities that will open up before you. 5. Investing is radically different from saving. Many who live in scarcity mistakenly believe that saving money in a savings account is the pinnacle of financial wisdom. The truly wealthy know that money needs to work tirelessly for them, multiplying itself. It's like the difference between having a productive milk cow and just having a glass of milk in the fridge. Savings is the glass of milk. Once consumed, it's gone. Investments are like a herd of milk cows. They keep producing more and more, generating a constant flow of abundance. Start studying investments today. Learn about fixed income, variable income, real estate funds, cryptocurrencies. Knowledge is the first step towards action. 6. The vital importance of taking calculated risks. Those who live in scarcity are often paralyzed by the fear of taking risks. The prosperous know that without calculated risk, there is no significant reward. It's like learning to surf. At first, you might swallow some salty water and take a few falls, but by taking risks, you learn to catch the best waves and surf like a pro. Start with small calculated risks. Invest a small amount in something new. Test an innovative approach at work. Launch that project you've been putting off out of fear. Remember, the biggest risk of all is taking no risk and staying stagnant. Suggestion: to insert a visual element of a talking avatar in the middle of the video. 7. The priceless value of time. Time is the most precious resource we have at our disposal, but many who live in scarcity don't realize this. The truly wealthy value every second and use it strategically and efficiently. It's like having a magical bank account where you deposit hours instead of money, and each well-invested hour generates exponential returns. How are you investing your precious time? Start making a detailed time budget. Thoroughly analyze how you spend each hour of your day and identify where you can optimize, eliminate waste, and focus on high-value activities. 8. The abundance mindset is a game changer. Those who live in scarcity are often trapped in a limiting mindset, believing there are rigid limits to everything in life. The prosperous cultivate an unshakable abundance mindset. It's like looking at the vast ocean. Some see only water, others see endless possibilities for navigation, discoveries, and riches. Start reprogramming your mindset today. Instead of thinking, "I can't afford that," challenge yourself to think, "How can I generate the resources to achieve that?" The change in perspective is the first step towards transforming your financial reality. 9. Learning from mistakes is a financial superpower. Those who live in scarcity are often paralyzed by the fear of making mistakes, seeing mistakes as a sentence of failure. The truly prosperous see mistakes as valuable lessons and stepping stones to success. It's like learning to ride a bike. You might fall a few times, scraping your knees, but each fall teaches you something new about balance, persistence, and overcoming. Thomas Edison, the genius inventor, failed over 1,000 times before creating the functional incandescent light bulb. He wisely said, "I didn't fail. I just found 1,000 ways that won't work." Adopt this resilient and transformative mindset. 10. The crucial importance of clear and measurable goals. Many who live in scarcity navigate life without a defined direction, living day by day without planning the future clearly. The prosperous set clear, specific, and measurable goals, working tirelessly to achieve them. It's like building a skyscraper. You need a detailed blueprint and a clear vision of the final result before you start digging the foundations. Set clear and challenging financial goals. How much do you want to earn in 1 year? In 5 years? In 10 years? How will you get there? What skills do you need to develop? What connections do you need to make? Write down these goals, create a detailed action plan, and review it regularly, adjusting the course as needed. 11. The transformative power of habit. The truly wealthy develop and cultivate powerful habits that inevitably lead them to success. It's like brushing your teeth. At first, it might seem like a boring and repetitive task, but over time it becomes automatic, indispensable, and its benefits are unquestionable. How about starting a habit of reading about finance and personal development for 30 minutes every day? Or set aside 20% of your salary for investments as soon as you receive it, before spending on anything else. or dedicate an hour a day to working on a side project that can generate extra income. Remember, we are what we repeatedly do. Financial excellence, therefore, is not an isolated act, but a constant habit. The vital need to adapt in a constantly changing world. The world is in constant evolution, and the truly prosperous know how to adapt with agility and grace. It's like being a financial chameleon. You need to change color and strategy according to the environment, not just to survive, but to thrive exuberantly. Always stay alert to emerging market trends, disruptive new technologies, and changes in your field of work. Mental flexibility and the willingness to continuously learn are crucial skills for long-lasting financial success. Constantly ask yourself, how can I reinvent myself? What new skills do I need to develop to remain relevant and valuable in the market? 13. The fundamental importance of investing in yourself. Many living in scarcity hesitate to spend money on themselves, seeing it as an unnecessary luxury. The truly prosperous know that investing in personal development is the investment with the highest possible return. It's like constantly sharpening an axe. The sharper and better cared for it is, the more efficient and valuable you become. Take courses that expand your skills, learn new languages, and take care of your physical and mental health as if they were your greatest treasures, because they are. Remember, you are your most valuable asset. The more you invest in yourself, the greater your value in the market and your ability to generate wealth. 14. The transformative power of skillful negotiation. Those living in scarcity often passively accept the first offer they receive, whether in business, salaries, or purchases. The truly prosperous know that almost everything in life is negotiable and constantly refine their negotiation skills. It's like playing chess. Each strategic move, each piece correctly positioned, can make a colossal difference in the final outcome. Practice your negotiation skills at every opportunity that arises. When buying a car, asking for a raise, closing a contract, or making a sale. Remember, if you don't ask, you don't get, and often it's in the heat of negotiation that the best opportunities arise. 15. The crucial importance of deeply understanding money. Many living in scarcity see money as something mysterious, complex, or even as a negative force in their lives. The truly prosperous deeply understand how money works and use it strategically to their advantage. It's like learning the rules and strategies of a complex game. The more you understand, the better you play, and the more pleasure you derive from the process. Dedicate yourself to studying fundamental concepts like inflation, compound interest, the time value of money, financial leverage, and investment diversification. These concepts may seem intimidating at first, but they are the tools that will allow you to build your financial fortress. 16. The imperative need for immediate and consistent action. Last, but definitely not least, the truly prosperous know that knowledge without action is like a powerful car without fuel, impressive but useless. It's like having a detailed treasure map and never leaving your comfort zone to search for it. What good is knowing all of this if you don't consistently put it into practice? Action is what separates dreamers from achievers. Start today. Choose one of these 16 lessons and do something concrete about it within the next 24 hours. Then choose another and another. Build an unstoppable momentum of action and growth. Now I want you to pause and reflect deeply. Which of these 16 lessons impacted you the most? Which one do you feel you can start applying to your life immediately? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles toward prosperity begins with a single determined step. My dear friends, I know it may seem like an avalanche of information at once, but don't be intimidated. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your financial fortress won't be either. The important thing is to start now and maintain consistency. As that wise Chinese proverb says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. To conclude our journey today, I want you to honestly reflect on something crucial. What is really preventing you from applying this transformative knowledge today? Is it fear of the unknown, lack of time, or rather inadequate prioritization of your time? Or perhaps the limiting belief that this isn't for someone like me? Remember, the only real difference between where you are now and where you want to be is what you consistently do with the knowledge you possess. I sincerely hope that this video was more than just informative, that it was a true light at the end of the tunnel, illuminating the path to your prosperity. If it was, please don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. This not only helps me continue producing high-quality content for you, but also ensures that you don't miss any valuable tips for your journey toward financial abundance. And please don't forget to comment on which of these 16 powerful lessons you will start applying in your life immediately. Your opinion, your doubts, and your experiences are extremely valuable, not only to me, but to our entire growing community. Together, we can create a network of support and knowledge that will elevate us all to new levels of prosperity. Oh, and I have a special surprise for you. Right after this video, I'll suggest 2 other pieces of content that perfectly complement what we discussed today. Don't miss them. I'm absolutely sure they will add immensely to your arsenal of financial knowledge and strategies. Always remember, knowledge is the key that opens the doors to wealth, but consistent action is what allows you to cross those doors and explore the world of abundance on the other side. So how about we take this decisive step together toward your financial freedom? Your prosperous future isn't written in the stars or determined by your past or current circumstances. It's in your hands, in your daily decisions, in your willingness to learn, grow, and act. And that bright future begins now, at this very moment. See you in the next video, my dear ones. And remember, every penny wisely invested, every book eagerly devoured, every calculated risk you bravely take is a firm step toward your financial independence and a life of abundance. Let's go together on this transformative journey. The world of prosperity is waiting for you. Until next time.